This threatening virus have spread it for about 210 countries and have killed so many thousands of people all over the world. Now, we are going to see about this coronavirus in this video. Coronavirus contain a genetic material of RNA which creates more copies of itself, and it is covered with the envelope of protein shell that carries the virus on spreading through the cells. When they start to spread, the protein envelope helps the virus to go to the target places. These cells are covered with the protein molecules which are called as spikes. Because of its crown-like shape, it is named as coronavirus disease. Droplets from the corona-affected persons carries the virus and goes through the nostril or through the mouth when the people are nearby them. With the help of spikes, virus catches the cells and injects its RNA poison substance in it. Like this way, virus will affect other cells in the body. Within the average of 5 days, symptoms of virus starts in the human body, which causes fever, sneezing, tiredness and fatigue. Firstly, virus affect the cells in the throat section and makes the cell as virus factory. By recognizing them as enemy soldier, the immune system sends warning signal to other cells by producing cytokinins. Immune cells get awareness of this virus and it starts to fight against it. During this time, lungs get affected. During this period, depends upon the infected person's immune system, virus will be alive. When the person has strong immune system, then the virus will be get destroyed. Otherwise, it will start to other parts. So that all people should be very careful and stay safe. Due to the low immune power, virus spread and infect whole portion of the lungs, and the patient needs ventilator for breathing. By this time, breathing becomes more difficult. World Health Organization announced this virus as pandemic because of the reason it's traveling from country to country, continent to continent. And as a part of helping, our Sri Indira Ganeshan institution have joined with Red Cross Society and have provided food for poor peoples.